Food is really fun to animate because it has so many different characteristics. I definitely get inspired by food a lot. I'm Sylvia Yan. I'm an illustrator, animator, and GIF artist based in Brooklyn, New York. For my professional work, I do a lot of animated illustrations for video series, explainers, and products. But what I really love doing on the side is to create fun and quirky animated graphics that makes people smile. In this class, I'm going to introduce how to use multiple mediums to create character animations that you can share. We will be using Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and After Effects to give the character life. We will go through the steps from how to spark the ideas, from photos to illustrating and animating your cute character. If you are a big fan of food and would like to create something fun and quirky, you should definitely take this class. Even if you never animate in After Effects, you will be able to follow me step by steps and feel confident to use the tool to create anything you can imagine.